Hello everyone. Hello. I'm so excited about today's video. Welcome back to Everything Ash, you guys. I'm in the mood for spaghetti today, and I'm not going to eat the regular spaghetti. I am about to use the squash to make my spaghetti squash with some baked spicy salmon. Oh, I'm so excited for this, you guys. So basically what I'm going to do, wash it, cut it, bake it for a few minutes, and then pull out the strings, and I'm gonna pair it with some amazing Cajun spicy salmon. Okay, welcome again to my kitchen where all the magic happen, you guys. It's about to be a party in here. Watch your fingers when you are doing this, you guys, right? So usually some people cut it in half. I like to cut it like this because when you cut it on the round way like that, the strings are longer. It looks more like the spaghetti to me. So that's why I'm doing it this way. Okay. And remove the middle. Remove the middle part. Okay. Removing the middle part. Now that I remove the middle part, I'm going to season them, add them in the pan that they are about to cook in. First, I'm adding my extra virgin olive oil. I only use that oil for cooking, or avocado oil. I don't use the regular vegetable oil. Unless I'm frying something, but it's really rare. I try to stay away from fried food as much as possible. Now adding my sea salt. I do love to crush my black pepper as I go. I have like a whole thing of whole black pepper, so I like to crush them. I feel like it's more fresh, it's more fragrant. So I'm just gonna season them now with some black pepper. Oh, the smell is so fresh. All right, and our squash is ready to go in the oven right now. So now let's check if the squash is ready. Maybe a little more, like maybe 10 more minutes. This one seems like it's ready. I'm gonna remove this one and leave the other one. So these are my ingredients that I'm gonna make like a saute, more like stir fry spaghetti squash. Look at this, you guys. Look at that. It's kind of hot. And then this is the salmon. I'm gonna prep the salmon using black pepper and salt. I'm gonna pan sear it really nicely and then make a sauce to go with it. And let me show you guys. See? When you cut it like this, you have like longer strands of, spaghetti squash. It's longer, it's better. For presentation, it's gonna look more appealing too. I cannot wait to show you guys the end of this recipe. Yeah. Okay, so you basically take a fork and keep pulling and pull the squash away from the skin. So we will be repeating this process. Look at this, you guys. So good. And we're gonna keep pulling away. Make sure you don't burn yourself, okay? Pull away. Look at this. Looks so good. Repeat this process for all of them. Okay, so now I'm going to sear the salmon. Okay. I like and some butter. first we're gonna start with the garlic. You can chop it up if you want to, but I like to grate mine in that garlic grater. So grate 2 or 3 garlic depending on how much squash you're making. Another one. Go ahead and add your peppers and onions. Add some cherry tomatoes and then some stir fry sauce and some sriracha. Go ahead and add the sriracha, some stir fry sauce, that in, and drop the spaghetti squash. So first I have a bit of spinach there, because as you guys know, I have to get my iron, a lot of it. And now it's time to plate the spaghetti squash. Oh my god, that looks so good. It smells delicious, you guys. Okay, one more. Okay. Are we putting in? Should we put it on top or on the side? On the side could be good, or on top. Let's say on top. Bam! Et voila! Our dish is ready. Now taste test. Listen, that's how you know I've been working so hard in the kitchen. I splashed the watermelon juice all over myself, okay? So, the dish is ready and I am going to taste. Listen, you guys, this is 5-star thing, okay? This is 5-star type of thing. Oh, my mouth is watery. Let's taste. It's amazing. Oh my God, look at the hearts. Well, first squeeze the lemon on top of the salmon. Ooh, I cannot wait to taste this. Wow. Yo, this is my first time making it like this. Wow. TheBum.com. Oh my God, you guys, this is a must-have, must-try. Vegetarian people, if you're vegan, you can have it too. I'm sorry, just don't have the salmon, but you can definitely have this stir fry. Oh my God. So if you like my recipes, please like, subscribe, and share it to any of your friends or your family that are on a healthy lifestyle journey, that is trying to eat cleaner but still tastiest food. Listen, eat clean doesn't mean eat blend food. I don't do blend food in my kitchen. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you another time for another video. Bye.